And this is Broadway building 1105, unit 116. This is a one bedroom. This is our main living area. Again, this one is at the beginning point of the renovation. It's going to get all new carpet, repair the kitchen, replacing all the lights, paint. It's going to be a complete renovation on this unit. And we are going into the restroom area, which still has lights. We haven't replaced those yet. Hall closet, another small closet, bedroom area. And everything will be renovated and replaced as far as carpet, painting, light fixtures, the whole 9 yards.